Hello guys, this is my AVT keypad. It's a DSC impassa keypad. So, we're going to add a code to the system. I'm going to click star 5. It's asking for my master code. I don't give my master code out. Then we're going to go to 03. Enter a new code. Now I have the new code. To test it, type in your 4-digit code. The alarm light comes on, so turn it off. System disarmed the alarm memory. Then we're going to delete that code. Type in star 5. 03. So now you see the P is gone. So we're going to change the master code. Type in star 5. Enter master code. Now I just change back master code. Let's test my master code. It's going to be 1315. I changed it to. Pretty easy to remember. And it's raining at the beginning. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Bye.